Select and finely grind the beans. Heat the water to the right temperature. Hand brew with care. Et voila! Coffee time! You got everything right, except for that most important step of roasting the beans. Stop trying things the hard way. Tried to roast your own beans, but always failed miserably? Coffee roasting isn't that hard at all. Introducing the Wake Up Smart Home Coffee Roaster. Roast your coffee at home like a pro. First, select the roast level. 5 preset roast levels from light to dark. The airflow and heat will be automatically calculated to achieve the desired outcome. The temperature and time can be instantly adjusted with ease. Enjoy home roasting with simplicity, serenity, and peace of mind. You can also customize your special recipes with the dedicated app. Adjust the roasting curve at any time. Fail-proof precise temperature control, allowing you to monitor the progress every step of the way. Open the bean retriever valve and we're all done. No need to break a sweat with this smart and convenient chaff collector. Take your taste buds on a journey without leaving home. You can also share your roasting records with your friends or download them for use. Wake Up Smart Home Coffee Roaster, making it easy to create your own unique coffee style.